this is silly test. Like, I'm going to be showing you how to make a bird. I like to use black for my bird. So let's get started. So you draw the feet. Do that. Then make another stick. Then make 3 lines up below it. And then make like a half U like this. Then make your tail. So I'm gonna go that for my tail. Then I'm gonna go around. Then I'm gonna make the head. Then you can do some branches. I'm gonna do some branches. And then let's get started. I'm gonna draw some things. So he's gonna have some red eyes and a black beak. And then he's gonna have a nice blue smile. That looks like a sad face, but let's go with it. Or I could make it into a ooh. Then mine's gonna be an orange bird. So get the orange and then color it in. You can do whatever marker you want. I'm just gonna do it with permanent. I'm a way better drawing. I just need to get going. Kind of, not really. I think I'm gonna do a yellow head. Just mix it up. Wait, I'm gonna go slowly. And then you can make a nice sun or something. So I'm gonna do the sky first. Sorry, just for a bit, I'm just gonna get the phone because it's ringing. Don't know who it is. Here we go. Sorry about that. Now let's get back to our drawing. Then I'm gonna make a really cool sun. So you make a circle. I'm just gonna make a tiny circle. Mo's eating something. Why? I'm getting it. But what the heck are you eating? Sorry about all of those things that happened. And then you make some lines of yellow, and then is he doing something again? Oh my gosh. Oh, how did he get that? Oh, Mo. Mo, why do you stop eating? Oh my god. Oh, now just go over there or something. Sorry about that. Another excuse. And then, yeah. And then I go like this. Some black coins. This is how you make a really cool sun. I learned how to do this in class, and it's not as good as my under one. It's just, it's pretty good. So then you can give it for a present or something, wrap it up maybe, give it for a Valentine's or something, or it's a pretty good present to give someone. or you could hang it up in your room. And then I'm gonna get this and then sign my name on it. Done. My name is Sully. Sully. It's pretty good. And this is all for today. Bye.